In 2007, Jeff Bezos, already worth billions, paid exactly $0 in federal income tax. Not a reduced rate. Zero. And every single thing he did was completely legal. Here is the trick your paycheck will never let you use. It starts with one rule almost nobody thinks about. Salaries are taxed. Wealth is not. If you earn money by working, the government takes its share immediately, up to 37%. But if your money sits inside assets, stocks, buildings, companies, it can grow forever, untouched. That is why so many billionaire CEOs famously take a salary of $1. They are not being humble. They are stepping out of the taxed lane entirely. So how do they actually get money to spend? This is where the real strategy begins. Lawyers call it buy, borrow, die. And yes, that is its real name, taught in law schools. Step 1. Buy. They buy assets that grow, and then they never sell. Because here is the loophole. Your stocks can rise by $1 billion, but until you sell, that gain does not exist for the tax office. It is called an unrealized gain. On paper, you are richer. On your tax return, nothing happened. Step 2. Borrow. When they need cash, they do not sell stock. They walk into a bank and borrow against it at 2 or 3% interest. And loans are not income, which means loans are taxed at exactly 0. The billionaire gets millions to live on. The bank earns quiet interest, and the tax office sees nothing at all. Borrowing is cheaper than selling every single time. Step 3. Die. This is the coldest part. When they die, their heirs inherit the stock at its current price, and the entire lifetime of gains is legally erased. It is called a stepped-up basis. $1 billion of untaxed growth, wiped clean in one moment. The family keeps the fortune. The tax was never paid by anyone. Add it all up, and the numbers are staggering. Leaked tax records showed that the 25 richest Americans paid a true tax rate of about 3.4% on their wealth growth. A schoolteacher pays more than that before lunch. And in many countries, the story is the same. The names of the laws change. The strategy does not. Wherever assets grow quietly and salaries are taxed loudly, the wealthy park their fortune on the quiet side of that line. Now, you cannot borrow millions against a stock portfolio you do not have. But the first rule of this game is available to everyone. Assets grow untaxed until you sell. Every year you hold, your money compounds without the government taking a cut. The rich are not playing with luck. They are playing with time, and with rules most people never bother to read. The game is not rigged by cheating. It is rigged by knowledge. And now you know. If this opened your eyes, subscribe to Quiet Wealth. Next time, inside the $500 million super yacht, and why it is technically a tax strategy too.